You don't want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
Cristiano Ronaldo, it is! Now that's how Dodge makes an entrance. Start by strapping yourself into the Demon's 4-point harness. Use the red key, push the start button to bring the most powerful production V8 in history to life. Activate drag mode, and instantly your suspension recalibrates for maximum lift while diverting the AC to supercool your intake air charge. Then roll into the water box, activate line lock, spinning the massive drag radials with precision control. The Nittos are over 200 degrees now and nearly dripping as you creep forward to the starting line. You hear them gripping and pulling at the track. That's it, you're pre-staged now and only 7 inches away from the countdown. Torque reserve, check. Trans brake, check. The supercharger bypass valve closes and 8 pounds of boost is now building in the manifold, waiting for you to release the trans brake. The yellows go out and you're gone. 1.8 Gs and you've cleared the tower. The launch is so violent that over a ton of mass is transferred to the rear of the car, lifting the front wheels off the ground and carrying them for 3 feet. 1 second into the hit and you're already doing 30 miles per hour. You're pinned to the back of your seat, holding 1.3 Gs. Bang, second gear, third gear. You just passed 60 miles an hour and it's only 2.3 seconds in. The Demon's starting to settle in now, 5.1 seconds, and you're passing 100 miles an hour. At this point, something incredible happens. You hit the vanishing point, that wormhole where everything that exists in the world evaporates, and the everyday stuff, the meetings, the phones, the deadlines, the taxes, all that stuff just disappears. It's like the front wheels left the earth in an attempt to shake that stuff off your shoulders and leave it all at the starting line. And it worked. It's just you and the Demon and one simple effing goal. Go down that quarter mile faster than anyone else can. And when you hit 140 miles an hour and cross that line, you know what you did, and the scoreboard shares your feat with the nearby world. 9.65 seconds. What you did there was make history behind the wheel of the fastest production car in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate super sports car, the Bugatti Chiron.
The Chiron is the first production supersports cars in the world that delivers sensational 1500 horsepower and a maximum torque of incredible 1600 Newton meter. While we allow the Chiron to go up to 420 kilometers per hour as a maximum speed for road use, this is by no means the limit for us. The Chiron is ready to set the next world speed record. Our customers love performance. They want to know how far they can go in terms of speed and acceleration. And the Chiron will blow their mind. But they will also have lots of fun on fast winding roads, because in terms of handling dynamics, this car has broken a new dimension. To make all this possible, we have developed a new version for the legendary thoroughbred W16 engine that our brand is famous for and that our customers love. This engine configuration is unique in today's automotive world. Our new W16 engine features the new Bugatti two-stage turbocharging, which enables breathtaking acceleration at all times and delivers an absolutely linear power curve. You get 1,600 Newton meters of torque from 2,000 RPM already, all the way up to 6,000 RPM. Despite its incredible scope of power, it can still be controlled rather easily. This is unique. We developed the most technically sophisticated carbon monocoque in the industry with an enormously high degree of rigidity, which you normally only can find in LMP1 race cars. The Chiron distinguishes itself by a unique combination of performance-relevant features, the new active air brake, the new adaptive chassis control, and a comprehensive active aerodynamic setup. Our tires are made exclusively for the Chiron, produced by our strategic partner Michelin, tested on aircraft test benches. And of course, the fastest car needs the strongest brakes. We developed new high-performance brakes using Formula One technology to cope with the massive loads of heat. These were just a few examples. The Chiron is the world's most intelligent production supersports car. Our state-of-the-art electrical and electronic systems with their controls and displays are newly developed and have been tailored to meet the needs of high-performance sports car drivers in the best possible way. And those who want to hear more than the gorgeous sound of the 16-cylinder engine can turn on the most exclusive and luxurious high-end sound system ever fitted into a supersports car. This makes the Chiron the fastest concert hall on Earth. No other supersports car of this caliber completed such a demanding and complex test program. We ran more than 30 test vehicles. The Chiron underwent more than 300 hours in the wind tunnel testing and did more than 500,000 test kilometers up to now. The Chiron complies with worldwide safety standards, and it meets the toughest requirements in terms of quality that exist in the car industry. Ladies and gentlemen, like no other supersports car, the Chiron combines innovative technologies and performance with exclusive design and comfort. The car is the most modern interpretation of our brand DNA. Its design embodies lots of beauty with significantly more beast. The most striking elements of our new design language are the famous Bugatti horseshoe with a new eye-to-eye face, the beautiful Bugatti sideline, the central line running from the nose of the car across the roof all the way to the rear wing, and very striking, a new rear end with the unique single-beam Bugatti signature light.